Here are the levels they consider to be no concern, slight concern, severe concern, and extreme concern, which the smart meters were well over the extreme concern. Here we are in the kitchen next to the microwave. Get a good look at the result. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, RF. Sorry. Let's start the microwave. And I'm about at least a foot from it. Don't stand by your microwave. Alright, this is super crazy, right? Just right when I walk in here, it gets really high, but let's put it right next to the Wi-Fi. Oh my goodness. Let's move it down next to the Wii.
PS4 Pig! Red Riding Hood rolling in! Princess Peach at your service! And you, say your name.